Alright guys, you know I like Tiffin products. And today we're going to be doing an inspection on a 2019 Wayfarer. This is a, I don't know, I guess I'm going to call it a Class B. Like, is it a Class B? I don't know, it's got a bunk, so we're going to call it a Class C. It's on a Sprinter chassis, Mercedes, and let's get on the roof. It's becoming less and less common to have ladders on these RVs, it seems like. Ugh. All right, so what kind of roof we have on here? Looks like we have a fiberglass roof. So this will actually be a really easy inspection, I think, because solar panel's filthy. This has a Nuflex 311 self-leveling silicone sealant on the roof. Not sure. I think that's going to be the Wi-Fi. Man, it's got all the good stuff on it, doesn't it? All right, well, I think this is the Wi-Fi. That's your TV antenna. There's, of course, another vent. So that's pretty funny. There's a vent, and 2 feet away is another vent. That's how compact, and then 2 feet away is another vent. This thing should be pretty well ventilated. Let's see, we'll check the AC, make sure it's not loose. It's not loose. I don't ever really recommend walking on these. They can handle the weight, but you don't want to find out that it is got issues. I think we look pretty good there. We can check the rest from below. Look over this side. Slide out toppers look good. Sealant on the gutter looks good. And this should be a gel coat fiberglass roof. So this is not Phylon. And this thing's very sturdy. You could probably have a party up here. How's the skylight look? I don't see any issues there. Seems strange because, all right, yeah. So somebody did add this after the fact. So this is not from Tiffin. This is Dicor sealant right here. So somebody added this Wi-Fi antenna. So yeah, this is Dicor. And Dicor will stick to the fiberglass just fine, but it will not stick to this silicone sealant. So that's fine that they did that. I mean, it's not fair to the next person when they go to touch it up because they won't know the difference. It's always best to try to stick with the same sealant on all roof. Well, that was the inspection. That was pretty fast and easy. I think the only thing I might notice is going to be detrimental is Tiffin ran the paint right there. I tell you, worst thing ever. Needs a good wash. But this thing's brand new, basically. It shouldn't have any problems. And if it's going to hit anything, it's going to be up front there anyways. I think that's kind of weird, I didn't point out, is the sealant they used around the sewer vent and around the TV antenna. It's like a urethane. Not sure why they went with that route. Also, this seems like a bad idea too. You can see the water will just puddle right here, just because that's the design of this little notch right there is just a little bathtub. So if the front's downhill, water's just going to pool right there. But this one does have jacks, so I guess that's not a complete issue. This seems like a bad design choice to me. I guess I didn't look over here very well. These awning fabrics look fine. Could use a good scrubbing, but that's about it. So there's another roof inspection in the series for you guys. And working on that that Tiffin red. Don't worry about that. But I don't want to overwhelm you guys with nothing but Tiffin videos. Ironically, I'm working on a Tiffin. But that's the inspection. Hope you guys enjoyed that. I'm gonna do the interior inspection in this, and then maybe I'll put together a walkthrough video. I don't see these very often in the wild, so I'll have to learn how to use it first before I show you guys how to use it. So, thanks a lot.